Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a wing coin. What's the price change goes in a wing coin, what's the next move of wing coin, and what is the currently condition of wing coin. And this video I will show you friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now friends, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently price of the wing coin. As you can see here, the current price is about 0.00124 USD dollar is the current price of wing coin. Same like that, if we talk about the change so coin of wing coin, so the last 1 hour change as a negative. Now the currently condition of the wing coin goes very bad friends. But it's a good news for all wing coin holders that the last 1 day price change is a positive 5.85% change occur in a wing coin friends. And the last 1 week change, you also know that they goes in a negative 7.05%. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the wing coin. As you can see here friends, now if we do current the highest price of the wing coin, so the highest price of the wing coin and the last 1 day period is about 0.001266 USD dollar is the highest price. And if we look the current price, so current price is less than the highest price, as you can see here 0.001241 USD dollar, and here 661266 USD dollar, here is a 1241 USD dollar friends. Now what's the next move coming and the wing coin? We have to do a technical analysis. Let's friends, let's suppose that is a support line and that is a resistance line please. They take a jump and after jump again falls down, and now they are again ready for a big jump. That's mean that the big jump are coming soon friends. So stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. I update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. Now the next jump coming on in the wing coin friends, so please enjoy this jump and hold your coin with the last of this month. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe now.